Meet Lisa. She loves cooking sourdough bread using Kilotech portion control scales. She created her own recipe, and today she's sharing it with you. For Lisa, baking starts long before the oven. It begins with precision. Every ingredient is measured carefully, because with sourdough, even the smallest detail matters. Using her Kilotech scale, Lisa ensures consistency from the very start, no guessing, just accuracy you can trust. This is where the actual process begins, a day after creating your homemade Levain, using flour and water. These simple ingredients are weighed and measured to create the perfect bread mix, which then has to be left to rest for 30 minutes. Once that's done, you can add your Levain created the day before in the previous phase. Don't forget to tare your scale to also weigh your Levain. Taring means removing the current weight on the scale to only weigh the ingredient you're adding into the bowl. Then, in a separate container, mix 10 grams of sea salt and 20 grams of distilled water to then add to your final bread mix. After that, just wait 30 minutes. Now the process becomes hands-on. Watch as Lisa shows you how to stretch and fold your bread mix.
So we're coming back to our second set of stretch and folds. Sometimes I wet my hands, just makes it a little easier. As you can see, our dough is looking like quite cohesive, a little jiggly. And we're gonna do, again, 4 pulls. So progressively, it gets a little harder to pull. That just means that the tension is building in the dough, which is really what we want. So, like I said, sometimes we have to hold it down a little, and that's good. That tension is what we want. So if it's goopy and soupy, we've got a problem. Flip it over, and one more pull. The last one is getting harder and harder, which is good. It's what we want. So we're just doing one more pull and give it a little flip, a little bit of a shape, and put it in. And we'll come back to that one again in 30 minutes. So we're back. We waited 30 minutes. Now we're doing a coil fold. So basically our dough has really come together. It's not very jiggly yet. So in a coil fold, we're scooping under, and we're lifting, and we're gonna drop it over itself. So we go like this, lifting pretty well, drop it over itself, turn the bowl, do it again. We give it a shake. I like to let it drop a little. I do this 4 times, and by the 4th time, it's pretty taut. We're not really going to be able to do it one more time well, but I'll do one more anyway. So we do the last one. I give it a little shake, fold it over. You see, it's really holding much better now than it was in the last round.
As you can see, Lisa really knows what she's doing. And Kilotech portion control scales speed up and simplify her sourdough bread recipe. Now that we've left the bread rest for 30 minutes, it's time to shape it. Place it on a floured banneton and cook it. This is an optional step, but Lisa likes to spray distilled water onto her bread mix to add moisture to the final loaf. After creating some room in the loaf, it's time to cook this yummy-looking homemade bread. And the result? A loaf made with our Kilotech portion control scale. Precision and passion.
So our 20 minutes is over. Our bread is ready. The moment of truth. We take it out. It's very exciting. Oh my God. We're going to take it out of this hot pot. It continues to cook. Put it on the tray. And our beautiful bread now has to cool for a minimum of 1 hour before we can cut into it. But we're done. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lisa, for sharing how you cook with Kilotech.